Hello everyone. First of all, thank you guys for sticking around. I know I haven't uploaded anything to this channel in a couple of weeks, but I am working on a new video. I'm super excited about it. It's about something, it's about a concept that it's quite overlooked by a lot of filmmakers, and that I think that when you actually take the time to learn it and to understand it, it can actually really step up the way you work, and for both fiction films or documentaries, even commercials and music videos, doing that research and understanding this sort of concepts really can spice up your work, and also help you break rules and avoid cliches, which I think is super important. And yeah, I just wanted to make this very quick update video and just tell you guys that I'm excited about the next year, about the plans that I have for this channel, and I'm doing this kind of like small vloggy sort of video with this. It's my Panasonic GH5 with the 7 Artisans 7.5mm 2.8 lens, which is a setup that I used to use a couple of years ago, and I remember this sort of like urge to step up my game and to buy more gear because I thought this setup was just not gonna work for me. And now I'm using it again. I feel so comfortable using it, and I remember that I bought this lens right here. It's the Tokina 11 to 16. I bought it to replace this lens, and now, I mean, this is just so much larger and heavier, and doing this sort of video like this, it's just so much more comfortable in this way. I don't know, I just kind of like it, and it just kind of makes you think about whether you do need to be upgrading gear as frequently as you think or not, you know? So yeah, anyway, that's just a little bit of rambling on my part, but thank you guys, and I will see you with this new video that I'm probably gonna be uploading this Friday, so stay tuned, and thank you for watching, and we'll see you on Friday. Cheers.